Alright guys, so I got the camera ran up to the front. I need to change out the radio. So real quick, I'm going to just show you guys how to take a Jeep Wrangler radio out. There might not be the absolute best angles, but I'll see what I can do for you guys. So the first thing I need to do, take this out. Need some sort of pry tool. I got this guy from Atco. It's really sturdy. It's really thin, so I can really get up in there. But what I always do is I just kind of grab a hold of the switches, and once you start getting a little bit of pressure in there, it'll release it. There's a safety clip on the back, so you just slide that over, and then you push the button to release it. So that's the switch. Behind the switch, let's see here. Behind the switch here, let's see if you guys can see it. Yeah, kind of. There's a 7mm bolt right here. So we're gonna this thing up in the top here. There's a cover. You're gonna take that out. There's a 7mm right there. So we are going to take that out. Get that out. Next two things. Under the dash here, you got the under dash panel. And bear with me guys, I kind of got some allergies today. I sound like crap. But the under dash panel, usually pretty simple. You can usually kind of pull a little bit. It'll release it here. And the same thing on this side. Get your fingers up in there. Pull it. The bottom's kind of on a hinge, so just take it off. Now on each side, I don't know if you can see it, there's 7mm there. And there's 7mm on this side. Try and do this one-handed though, but at that point I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. Yeah, here we go. So you kind of work at the top, work it. I mean, and I'm not even pulling hard, like I'm just using my fingers, so you don't have to go all crazy. Right along the top, just pry a little bit, pry. Now the whole thing's loose. Let me see if I can get it out here. You guys can see. So once you got it all done, just kind of work it up and off. That's simple. So I'm gonna sit this out of the way real quick. And I'm gonna do a couple things here. One, I'm gonna take the 4 screws holding the radio out. Alright, so 4 screws, boom, 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 grab the radio. It's kind of snug in there, pull that out. You're going to unclip the radio of the power harness. You got your Sirius XM antenna, and you got your AM and FM antenna.